Good morning, everyone. So I choose a wireless intraoral camera is a small handheld device that a dentist uses to take a pictures inside the patient's mouth. Unlike older cameras that need to be plugged into a computer, a wireless intraoral camera uses no wires and connects to a computer via Wi-Fi. This allows the dentist to move around easily and take clear pictures of teeth, gums, and other areas of the mouth. The image captured by the camera can be instantly shown on a screen, helping the dentist explain problems like cavities, gum disease, or cracked teeth to the patient. The wireless design makes it easier for the dentist to work without being limited by cords, improving both comfort and efficiency during the visit. Thank you.